Rain. Rain is a common and important natural event that starts high in the atmosphere. It begins when moisture gathers in clouds, eventually falling to the Earth's surface as drops. This process is essential for life, as rain provides fresh water, allows plants and crops to flourish, and prevents droughts. Depending on the weather, rain can be a gentle drizzle or a noisy sudden downpour. For many, a rainy day suggests cozy indoor activities, but for farmers, it is often a welcome vital sign of life. Where does the process of rain begin? Why is rain described as a welcome vital sign of life for farmers?
English Score Lab.